If you're relying on one income stream in 2025, you're already behind. The game has changed, and most people haven't caught on. Did you know the average American makes $4,700 a month before taxes? But after rent, car payments, food, and insurance, they're often left with less than $200 to their name. Meanwhile, groceries are up 25%, auto insurance is up 45%, and rent through the roof. So here's the question. How are you supposed to build wealth when your paycheck barely survives? The answer? You need a smarter route, one that gets you to $10,000 a month without relying on luck or going viral. In this video, I'll walk you through a three-step system anyone can follow, the high-income skill to learn, how to start making real money with it, and how to scale it into something that pays you even when you're not working. If you're ready to stop surviving and actually get ahead, let's get into it. Why most people never hit $10,000 per month. Let's start with a hard truth. The reason most people never hit $10,000 a month isn't because they're lazy or because they're not smart. It's because they're following a broken blueprint. Here's the outdated plan we're all handed. Go to college, get a job, work your way up, retire at 65. That might have worked in 1985, but in 2025, that plan barely covers your bills. Forget building wealth. We're in the most expensive economy in modern history. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment in the US is over $1,700. Groceries and gas at record highs. Wages not keeping up. Meanwhile, the internet has created more opportunity than ever. But most people are either too distracted or too skeptical to take advantage. If you want to hit $10,000 a month, you have to stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a builder. That doesn't mean quitting your job tomorrow. It means learning a skill, getting paid for it, and turning that income into something scalable. Let's break it down. Step 1, learn a high-income skill. The first step to $10,000 a month is simple. You need to learn a high-income skill, not a random skill, not what your cousin recommended. You need something that's in demand, fast to learn, and scalable. Here are 5 high-income skills in 2025 that check all the boxes. Video editing. Think short-form content, reels, shorts. Demand is exploding. Copywriting. Words that sell are always in demand, especially in emails, landing pages, and ads. UGC. Brands want real people creating content. No fancy studio required. Sales. If you can get on a Zoom call and close deals, you can earn 10 to 20% on high-ticket offers. AI prompt engineering. Businesses need people who can turn AI into output that saves time and money. Now let's go deeper. Suppose you choose copywriting. You don't need to spend $5,000 on a course. Start by studying great ads. Rewrite them by hand. Join Discord groups like Copywriting Feedback, or check Reddit's r/copywriting threads. Read the Adweek Copywriting Handbook, or 100 Dammers Offers. Study how offers are made and positioned. If you pick video editing, start by editing short clips of podcasts. There are thousands of creators with solid, long-form content, but no short-form strategy. You can be their solution and charge for it. The point is, you only need to be 3 steps ahead of your target client. You don't need 10 years of experience. You just need enough skill to provide value. Now let's turn that skill into cash. Step 2, start making money with it. You've learned the skill. Now it's time to monetize. This is where most people hesitate. They ask, what if I'm not ready? Or what if I mess up? But here's the truth. You don't get better by practicing alone. You get better by doing the work with real clients. Start with this goal. Get 3 clients in the next 30 days. You don't need a website. You don't need a logo. You need conversations. Here's how. DM creators or business owners. Hey, I love your content. I'm building my portfolio helping people like you with your skill. Would you be open to a free sample or a discounted package to test it out? Post on Reddit. Offer to help people in exchange for testimonials. Go to Fiverr. Don't compete on price. Compete on niche clarity. Offer short-form video repurposing for fitness coaches instead of just video editing. Every successful freelancer or business owner starts scrappy. Let's say you land a client paying $300. You deliver fast, you communicate well, and they're happy. Now, they refer you to someone else. You raise your price to $600, then $1,200. You now have income. But better yet, you're building proof. And here's the cheat code. While doing the work, start documenting it. Just wrapped up a $500 landing page rewrite. Here's what I learned. Edited 3 podcast clips in under 2 hours using this AI trick. You're no longer just a freelancer. You're building credibility and demand. Let's take it up a level. Step 3. Scale to $10,000 per month and beyond. This is where things get fun. Once you're making consistent money, say $3,000 to $5,000 a month, you now have 2 choices. You can keep grinding, or you can start building leverage. Let's talk about 3 ways to scale. Productize your service. Instead of custom proposals, offer a set package. 10 TikToks a month for $1,500. Weekly newsletters for $800 a month. Clients love clarity, and you'll love the predictability and easier delegation. Sell digital products. Everything you're learning can be turned into products. Notion templates, script packs, guides, systems. You build it once and sell it forever. Use platforms like Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, or PayHip. You can make your first $1,000 from a Notion pack that solves a niche problem. Teach what you know. Once you have results, share them. You don't need to be a guru. Just show your process. What gear you use, what mistakes you made, what worked. You'll attract beginners who want to skip the trial and error. That's where coaching, mentorship, or digital communities come in. This is how creators, freelancers, and online entrepreneurs go from making money to building a brand. And a brand doesn't sleep. That's how you unlock $10,000 a month without trading every hour. But let's pause. Before you scale, there are traps to avoid. What to avoid on the road to $10,000? Let's talk about a few traps that will kill your momentum. Chasing too many skills. Pick one, stick with it. Mastery beats dabbling. Waiting until you feel ready. Action beats perfection. You'll learn faster by doing. Underpricing out of fear. Charge based on value, not insecurity. Even if it's your first gig, your time matters. Hiding behind content consumption. At some point, you have to stop learning and start earning. And maybe most dangerous of all, comparing your journey to others. You're seeing someone else's chapter 20 while you're on chapter 2. Focus on consistency, not speed. Every person earning $10,000 a month online, they started where you are. Unsure, skeptical, and overwhelmed. The only difference? They kept going. So here's your blueprint to $10,000 a month in 2025. Step 1, learn a high-income skill. Step 2, get paid to use it. Step 3, scale it into leverage and systems. No shortcuts, no magic, just clarity, effort, and execution. And the best part, you can start today. No permission, no gatekeeper. Comment below, what skill are you planning to start with? If this video gave you clarity, hit that subscribe button. I'm building out the playbook I wish I had in my 20s, and every video gets you closer to freedom. You've got this.